Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cool guitar picks is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, tools in a guitarist's arsenal, influencing everything from your tone and playing style to your overall comfort and musical expression. Finding the perfect pick can dramatically improve your playing experience, unlocking new levels of precision, speed, and feel, so choosing the right one is crucial for any guitarist, from beginners to seasoned professionals. This video will explore the top picks on the market, helping you find the perfect match for your unique style and preferences. Number 5. Fender Premium 24 Picks. These picks are crafted from premium celluloid, a material known for producing a warm, rich tone. They're the perfect choice for any guitarist looking to elevate their playing. Many professional artists rely on these picks for their exceptional quality and consistent performance. Experience the difference a superior pick can make. This sampler pack includes a variety of thicknesses, thin, medium, and heavy, to suit your playing style and preferences. Find your perfect match. They come in a wide range of colors and styles, so you can find the perfect picks to match your personality and instrument. Express yourself. Fender is known for quality, and these picks are no exception. Get ready to experience the superior feel and tone that only Fender can provide. With 24 picks in this sampler pack, you'll have plenty to experiment with and find your perfect playing companions. Try them all and discover your favorites. What we like. It offers a warm, round tone thanks to its celluloid material. If you're a professional or aspiring musician looking for a versatile pick, this variety pack lets you experiment with different thicknesses to find your perfect match. This is the go-to pick for many professionals. Try them all and find your perfect fit. What people say. This is awesome if you just want to see how it functions and pick your desired weight. As a beginner, I was able to choose what weight I wanted and experiment, and the design is simple and easy to learn. It's not too chunky or distracting and doesn't break easily. Very easy to store, and it plays amazing on my electric guitar. There's heavy, medium and lightweight picks for you to choose. This guitar pick sample bundle is a fantastic way to find the perfect pick for your playing style. The variety included is impressive, with picks of different thicknesses, shapes, and materials, catering to everything from delicate acoustic strumming to aggressive electric shredding. What I loved most is how this set let me experiment with different feels and tones. The thinner picks are great for bright, snappy strumming, while the thicker ones provide a robust, controlled attack for soloing. Each pick is well made, with smooth edges and a comfortable grip that makes playing a breeze. Fast delivery. Look durable and plenty of options within set. Number 4. Pick-a-Palooza DIY Guitar Picks. Tired of the same old guitar picks? It's time to create your own unique sound. This kit lets you personalize your picks and express your style. Searching for a unique and thoughtful present? This DIY guitar pick maker is perfect for any musician, making it a gift they'll truly appreciate. Say goodbye to constantly buying new picks. With this kit, you can make your own from almost any thin plastic, ensuring you're always prepared. From old credit cards to gift cards, the possibilities are endless. Craft custom picks that reflect your personality and playing style. It's built to last. The durable stainless steel blade ensures perfectly shaped and smooth picks every time, enhancing your playing experience. This complete kit includes the punch, a leather keychain holder, pick strips, and a file for smoothing edges. You're ready to start creating right away. What we like. This kit lets you create your own unique guitar picks. If you are looking for a fun and creative way to personalize your playing experience or need a unique gift for a musician, this is the perfect option. You'll never run out of picks again, and you can make them from almost any thin plastic. What people say. Never buy guitar picks again. It seems absurd to think about how I used to buy little packs of shaped plastic and celluloid, sometimes $20 for these things, when there are free plastic sheets everywhere I look, and all I needed was a way to stamp it into the perfect shape. Control the exact thickness properties of your picks. This one is actually the biggest benefit IMHO. I love thin guitar picks with a certain feel to them, so the thick plastic stock included in the box, although beautiful, doesn't work for me. As soon as my kit arrived, I went rooting through the entire apartment looking for raw materials to craft with. When all you have is a Pick-a-Palooza, everything looks like a guitar pick, winky face. I found some things which worked okay, for example the thick plastic that many electronics or other home goods are packaged in, and certain gift cards which are thinner than credit cards. However, the greatest material for my ideal pick was the top of a disposable Tupperware container. I've included photos to demonstrate how closely the Tupperware is to my favorite Jim Dunlop thin light picks. Item is sturdy as hell. Very solid construction of heavy gauge metal. I can only imagine you would break the device by dropping it from the third floor onto concrete, or perhaps opening a pick factory in your garage and making millions of picks in a year. Number 3. Cheliz guitar picks. These aren't just picks, they're a statement. Each pick is crafted with care, offering superior quality and a unique design. Made from high-quality celluloid, it provides a warm, natural tone. The vibrant prints are durable and won't fade with use. It's the ideal present for any guitarist, regardless of their skill level or preferred genre. Show your love with this thoughtful gift. The included metal pick holder keeps your picks organized and readily accessible. It's compact and easily fits in your pocket or guitar case. With various designs to choose from, you can find the perfect pick to match your style and playing needs. Explore the collection and find your favorites. This luxury pack includes 12 picks and a premium leather keychain holder. It's the ultimate gift for any guitarist. What we like. It comes with a variety of cool designs and a convenient pick holder. If you appreciate unique aesthetics and want to avoid losing your picks, this set is perfect for you. The included pick holder keeps everything organized, and the medium gauge is suitable for most playing styles. What people say. The variety in color and paintings is so amazing. They are a perfect thickness and the texture is smooth for use. They function well. The quality of the photos on the picks are really nice, not blurry, and don't fade or scratch off after use. There's also 2 of each pick, just in case you lose one you have a backup. And it comes with a cute little tin to keep everything in, and a travel case also which is really nice. Good firm, medium gauge. Great choice of designs. Number 2. Legendary Bands Guitar Picks. Introducing Legendary Bands Guitar Picks, the perfect accessory for any music lover. These picks offer a comfortable feel and rich tone, enhancing your playing experience. Crafted from high-quality celluloid, these picks provide a natural feel and warm, full sound. Experience the difference superior materials make. With a medium thickness of 0.71 mm, it provides the perfect balance between control and flexibility. Enjoy hours of comfortable playing without fatigue. Show your love for your favorite metal bands with these beautifully designed picks. Each pick features stunning artwork on both sides. These picks aren't just accessories, they're a statement. They're designed to enhance your performance and make you sound your best. Get 10 medium picks in each pack, ensuring you always have a fresh pick ready to go. Stock up and never be caught unprepared. What we like. These picks feature artwork from legendary bands. If you are a metal music fan, these picks are a must-have. The celluloid material provides a warm tone, and the medium gauge is a popular choice for many players. Number 1. Star Wars Guitar Picks. Get ready to experience the Force with our new guitar picks. These picks are made of high-quality celluloid for a warm, rich tone. They're crafted from celluloid, giving you a natural, comfortable feel. Enjoy the smooth playing experience it provides. Show your love for Star Wars with your favorite characters. Each pick features a beautiful design on both sides. These picks are perfect for any guitarist. They're designed to enhance your playing experience. We have a variety of unique designs to choose from. Find the perfect pick to match your style. Add a touch of the Star Wars galaxy to your guitar playing. Order yours today. What we like. These picks showcase iconic Star Wars characters. If you're a Star Wars fan and a guitarist, this is a perfect collectible. The celluloid material ensures a great playing experience, and the designs are sure to impress. What people say. Picks are great quality and hold up well with wear and tear of playing. The graphics are clear and bright, great product. The picks are sturdy and durable. My grandson practiced even more, he really liked the picks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.